Homework Chapter 2.6R Review Convert Point Slope to Slope Intercept form. Question number 1. To make it into slope intercept form, or y equals mx plus b, you're going to first distribute the 2 inside, and you're going to get here is 2 times x plus 2 times 4 is 8. You want to get the y by itself, so you're going to add 5 on both sides. You get y equals 2x plus 13, so which is in the form of y equals mx plus b. So similarly, you're going to isolate y from each question. Here you're going to distribute 4. You're going to get y plus 2 equals 4x minus 24, and subtract 2 on both sides. Y equals 4x minus 26. Here you're going to distribute the negative 5. Y plus 4 equals negative 5x, and when you multiply negative 5 and 3, you're going to get negative 15 minus 4, and you're going to get y equals negative 5x minus 19. For level 2, you're going to distribute 1 over 2 inside. You're going to get y minus 7, negative 1 over 2x, minus 1 over 2 times 8. So you're going to get y minus 7 equals negative 1 over 2x. When you divide 8 by 2, you're going to get negative 4 here, plus 7. You're going to get y equals negative 1 over 2x plus 3. And that's the y equals mx plus b form. Distribute again, negative 1 over 3x minus 27 over 3, y minus 9. Y minus 9 equals negative 1 over 3x minus 9 plus 9 on both sides. This 9 and 9 cancel. Y equals negative 1 over 3x is your answer. You're going to distribute 1 over 13 inside. Y minus 11 equals negative 1 over 13x. Negative, negative, positive. And that's going to be 52 divided by 13. Y minus 11 equals negative 1 over 13x plus 4. Add 4 on both sides. You're going to get y equals negative 1 over 13x plus 15. Similarly, for number 7, you're going to distribute 2 over 3 inside. 2 over 3 x minus 18 over 3, y plus 5 equals 2 over 3 x minus 6 minus 5. So subtract 5 on both sides. That will give you 2 over 3 x. Negative 6 and negative 5 would be negative 11. Distribute the 2 over 5. You're going to get 2 over 5 x plus 20 over 5. Y minus 1, 2 over 5 x plus 4 plus 1. You're going to get y equals 2 over 5 x plus 5. Distribute negative 14 on inside. You're going to get negative 14x plus 14 times 3 over 7, and that will give you negative 14x. 14 divided by 7 is 2, and 2 times 3 is 6. Y plus 4, and you're going to subtract 4. Y equals negative 14x plus 2. For number 10, distribute the 3 over 4. Y plus 11 equals 3 over 4 x minus 3 over 4 times 12. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Y plus 11 equals 3 over 4x minus 9. Negative 11 on both sides. Y equals 3 over 4 minus 20. We're going to distribute the 6 over 7. Y plus 5 equals 6 over 7 x plus 6 over 7 times 21. 21 divided by 7 is 3. Y plus 5 equals 6 over 7 x plus 6 times 3 is 18 minus 5. Y equals 6 over 7 x plus 13. Distribute to 12, negative 12x minus 12 times 5 over 6. 12 divided by 6 is 2. Y minus 3 equals negative 12x minus 10 plus 13. Y equals negative 12x plus 3.